Good afternoon, Pottinger class.
Good afternoon.
Today we are working on interpreting remainders. Can you?
Yes.
Do you guys know like the different parts of a division problem by now?
Yes.
Do I need to go through that?
No.
Yeah, I know you know what remainders, leftover. Yeah, you got all that. Interpret. That was a tough one for us. Interpret means to explain what something means, right? Interpret. Okay. So we're interpreting. We're explaining what remainders mean. Okay, here we go. There are 4 different ways we interpret remainders. Way 1 is we do what?
Ignore the remainder.
Ignore the remainder.
Yes.
Okay. Thing 2 is we take the remainder and we...
Round up.
Thing 3 is we make the remainder into a what or a what?
Decimal or fraction.
And thing 4 is we actually use the remainder as our...
Answer.
All right, I'll give you some examples. Let's say I am going, or somebody like this person, is going to the store and they have $83. They want to buy candy bars, 3 Musketeers specifically. They want to buy as many as they can. Cost $4. We did the math, 83 divided by 4, we got 20 remainder 3. How many candy bars can that person buy?
20.
But not 20 remainder 3, just 20? You can't buy part of a candy bar, can you? No, so ignore the remainder because the whole number is our answer, yes? Okay, the second strategy, round up. We're going on a field trip. There's 25 of us. The buses can only hold 20 kids. Am I going to just order one bus and leave 5 kids behind?
No.
Am I going to take a bus and cut it in half?
No.
That's silly. So how many buses do I need then?
2.
I need to move up. I need to round up to the next whole bus, right?
Yes.
Okay. Decimal or fraction. Pizza. If Oz was having pizza with some friends. We have some leftover pizza. Are we just going to ignore it?
No.
No. Are we going to somehow make the leftover pizza into more pizza?
Yes.
You can make pizza into more pizza? No, that's impossible. Not unless you are a miracle worker. Are we going to maybe take whatever pizza's left over and split it?
Yes.
Maybe turn it into a fraction or a decimal?
Yes.
Can you split pizza?
Yes.
Wait, can you split a bus though?
No.
Duh. And then sometimes you have the remainder as the answer, and we're going to go back to this candy bar person. The question now is, if she buys as many candy bars as possible, how much money would she have left at the end? The answer was $3, right?
Yes.
So same exact problem. We did 83 divided by 4. We had 20 remainder 3, right?
Yes.
But this time we're asking how much money is left? $3, right? Is it really super duper important that you read the question carefully?
Yes.
We good?